Welcome back, you guys. I'm your host, as always, Raymondo, and today we're going to continue on with some Mortal Kombat 11. And before we begin, if you watched the last video of this game, I was having some trouble figuring out how to beat this game because I'm in the last boss battle, and I'm going to give it one last try, and if I can't beat this boss, I'm going to close it down. But remember, we still have a character to unlock. And as of right now, we unlocked her, and so I will play her, and then once we play her in the endless mode, then I will shut it down, and then we can move on to other things. So without further ado, let's continue, see how this time around goes.
You will be exalted in the new era, Cetrion. And you, Liu Kang, have failed! History rewinds, giving way to the new era!
No!
The realms as you knew them are undone, erased. You cannot save a future that no longer exists. There is only the new era!
Alright, now let's see if I can beat her. If I can't beat her, then we're just gonna call it quits. And just move on to, not really, Storm. No, not Storm. I don't know what that is. And then that'll be it for Mortal Kombat 11. Come on.
Welcome to the dawn of time. Here history ends and begins again. Behold the start of the new era. I had intended to leave your destiny intact, Liu Kang, until Raiden went and made you immortal. Now you cannot be ignored.
Fight!
I'm trying my best, guys.
Let the new era begin.
Try a couple more tries, if not, we'll just move on. I'm trying, guys. I don't know. If I could beat this girl.
There is only the new era!
Fight!
He's whooping my ass. There's no way in hell I'm gonna beat this bitch.
Behold the start of the new era. I had intended to leave your destiny intact, Liu Kang, until Raiden went and made you immortal. Now you cannot be ignored.
Fight.
Come on! Damn it! Why can't we just get this part? Like, I just want to fucking get it over with.
Let the new era begin.
Maybe a couple more tries. Not, fuck it.
There is only the new era.
Fight.
Welcome to the dawn of time. Here history ends and begins again. Behold the start of the new era. I had intended to leave your destiny intact, Liu Kang, until Raiden went and made you immortal. Now you cannot be ignored.
Fight.
Man. Shit.
Let the new era begin.
I don't know how the hell I'm gonna beat this fucking bitch.
There is only the new era.
Fight.
Behold the start of the new era. I had intended to leave your destiny intact, Liu Kang, until Raiden went and made you immortal. Now you cannot be ignored.
Fight. With or without you, I will restore the timeline.
Sculpting the sands of time requires great power and skill. You have neither, Liu Kang. You may be a god, but I am a titan.
Fight.
God, you want me to beat her again? Come here. Come on. Oh, no. No.
Is finished, Liu Kang.
Lord Raiden.
I am merely Raiden now. You have proven worthy to take my place as the new protector of Earthrealm, once it is restored.
You honor me, Raiden.
The honor is mine, Lord Liu Kang. The sands of time are now yours to shape. It falls upon you to architect a new history.
The fate of all realms in my hands? Raiden, I cannot do this alone.
I shall advise you for as long as my mortality allows. But have no doubt, you are up to the task.
Then together, let us begin.
Yeah, I actually did it. I don't know what happened last time. I don't know if it was my game. I don't know if I really wasn't beating it right or what, but at least I beat it. because I was fixing to give up on it. But there you go. I'm glad I didn't give up and gave it one more shot. Sweet. Very nice, guys. Okay, good. I feel very happy because I sure didn't want to leave it at the end like that. I wanted to beat it for you guys, and there you go. Alright. Again, I don't know when I'm going to play Mortal Kombat 1, as I've been saying it repeatedly over the last 2 games that I've been playing for you guys. Y'all are just going to have to find out and just stay tuned. But I can't wait to play that whenever that may be, because I've been waiting to play that for a while now. And since I did the story mode, to be honest, part of me wants to start other Mortal Kombat games from the past, and I just might do that. So, don't be surprised if that comes out to be next. Playing some classic Mortal Kombat games for you guys, because I'm in the mood to play the old games of Mortal Kombat, at least the ones that I have. So just stay tuned for that, because I'm all pumped up to continue to play some Mortal Kombat games. I don't want it to stop with just this one. Kind of want to play the old ones. So we'll see what happens, guys. And just to let you guys know, I know in the past videos I said I was going to watch all the Mortal Kombat movies. I still haven't done that yet. Why, I really don't know. I've been caught up in doing other things behind the scenes. So, some has to do with the channel, some doesn't have to do with the channel. But yeah, I will let y'all guys know and just surprise y'all which Mortal Kombat will be next after I work on Frost, which I will be doing in just a little bit. Once the credits are done, we're gonna fight with Frost, and then I'm gonna do another video like I did with Mortal Kombat XL, who my top fighter is, and then after that, we will see what the next one's gonna be. So then just stay tuned for that. There you go. So yeah. Let's put these game credits to be finished so we can play some Frost. These credits are still going. I would talk about more things, but I honestly don't know what to talk about. That's why I've been kind of quiet. Because I don't know what else to talk with you guys about. Other than I have been looking forward to playing other games. I do have a few games in mind. Again, I don't want to spoil it, like I say all the time. I don't like to spoil too many games that I want to play with you guys, or for you guys, not with you guys, but for you guys. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about a couple of games. Of course, I'm excited for all the games. I mean, I wouldn't just play it just to play them. They are obviously fun. There's a couple of new games I would like, for like brand new games that I would like to play for you guys, but like Mortal Kombat 1, but again, I don't know when that's gonna be, because I really want to play some updated games. I mean, don't get me wrong, obviously I love playing these vintage games, but I'm pretty sure some of you guys would like me to play like new games, and I would like to too, don't get me wrong. But stay tuned and find out when that will happen. I honestly don't know when, but I'm excited for that whenever that comes to be. So yeah. And as always, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for enjoying my videos, watching my videos. Obviously, I want to thank you guys for subscribing. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Should be getting close by now, and then we can move on to bigger and better things. This year for me has been pretty good. You know, obviously, just like everybody else, I have my ups and my downs, and this coming year, I pray that it gets better for me on a personal level. Obviously, as you can tell, I am not in my original room that I usually play my games on. Still having some trouble, but I don't know when I'm going to be able to go back to that room that I usually do my recordings and play games for you guys. I was hoping it would be this month. I doubt it'll be at the end of the year where I get to go back to normal, if you will. But it doesn't look like it, but it's okay. I mean, I've been in this other location for months now, and I got used to being in this other location. But obviously, I still like to be in my own original spot.
Story.
But anyway, so now that the credits are finally done, we can move on. And there you go. I have unlocked Frost. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna play Frost. Oh. Look like I had some other unlockables. That's awesome. Alright, well, let's play some Frost.